All right, my next project here is as I've cleaned these cupboards, I've noticed that underneath the paint there is a little decal that or sticker that was put there and then painted over. So I don't know if I'm OCD, but I don't like it. So I am pulling it up very, very carefully with my EXACTO knife. And then pulling it off here so that I can get a better adhesion of the paint and primer before painting it. So this is just one of the projects I noticed. I personally am a stickler for paint primer, paint prepping. It's making sure the surface is really clean, is really flat, has been sanded down, doesn't have any marks or dribbles. Things like this just really annoy me, and I want to make sure that everything is all prepped and is nice and is really, really clean. Paint really doesn't cover everything up. You can see when there's bumps and cracks and issues whenever it's not prepped properly. So yeah, that's coming off today. Very gently, very carefully taking this off.